So in this video, we're going to show how to order a made-to-measure product, in this case a Roman blind, and deliver it to any of our customers' third-party addresses. First thing we do from the home screen, go to Products and Orders and click on Made-to-Measure Products. We select a style, so Evaglide BSXL chain operated Roman blinds. Just going to order one blind, let's say it's 145 centimeters, and the chain drop is 122. Options here are the usual ones on control units. We'll do the 1 to 4 Premier breakaway. We'll choose a right hand operation with a counterweight bar. We don't need any fiberglass rods. We'll have the usual chrome chain and 666 clip on with Roman tape. For the safety devices for the rear cords, click on standard. This can be increased or decreased, but we'll click on standard. Which bracket will go for the popular universal. This will then calculate our price, and we will add that to the basket in the normal way for any Webtex order. Okay, so as usual, we'll now confirm the order. Now here's where we've got the options, so we can add an address or change an address. Let's add an address here. So delivery name, sample 1. The address, postcode, let's put anything in there. So customer reference 234. Select different delivery addresses, email addresses, and confirm the order. It says there we must input something there, so we'll put A town and confirm the order. Okay, close that, and that is that order complete and confirmed to a different delivery address anywhere in the country. As long as Tufnells deliver, we can send anywhere you need. Thanks very much.